Hi, my name is Seth and I'm with Main Street Coin and Jewelry, and what we have today is just a little lesson on sterling silverware and what you need to be looking for when you're out at those garage sales or those estate sales, and kind of knowing what you have. And so your two main tools are a loupe and a magnet. And so you just want to kind of go out there and you'll see sets, you'll see forks, knives, you see all that kind of stuff, and you wonder, well, which one is it? If it says silver, is that really what I'm looking for? So if you want to come a little closer with the camera, I'll show you kind of what it is that you want to be looking for. On the back of this fork, for example, it says right here, sterling. Now there's a name on here, Wallace, that's a well-known name, but you want to look for that word, sterling, or you want to look for 999, or you want to look for certain emblems like that of a lion and so forth that are the hallmarks of some English silver. But if it just says silver, it is not sterling silver. It has to say sterling 999 or have those emblems. But some companies will try and trick you, and it'll say something like, Rogers silver. And well, it's silver plate at that point. Here's another example of, let me see, that's another well-known company, and it says, notice it says sterling right there on the handle. Okay. When you come to the knives, be careful, because the knives, the blades are almost always going to be sterling silver unless it's one piece. But you can tell right here that these are two pieces married together. And so I show two examples here. This says right on the blade itself, it says Wallace and says stainless steel blade and sterling silver handle. So that's, don't pay for the weight of this whole thing as silver, because it's not. Only the handle is sterling silver. Here's another example where they put the sterling right there on the band that marries the two. And it lets you know that this is sterling. Again, it is the handle that is sterling, not the blade. This is where your magnet comes into play, right? And it will tell you that those are not silver. Now, some of the small butter knives, they are one piece and they are usually sterling silver all the way through. Now, here's the enemy of us all, the silver-plated fork, right? It's not magnetic, so there's nothing that's going to tell you that it is not silver until you go and you look on the back, and what do you see here? Does it say sterling silver anywhere on there? No, but it gives a company name, gives some writing, and it kind of tricks you if you're looking at it real quick, because you're used to seeing sterling silver back there. So this is silver plated, and you just want to stay away from it. Silver is not high enough for silver plate to matter. Last thing I want to show you is this little candy dish here. This is completely sterling silver, and the markings are usually on the bottom, or they'll be on the neck, or sometimes right here, like it shows right there, is that this is sterling silver. And so what you want to be careful with this is this itself, I could just weigh, and it is all sterling silver because I can see the bottom is hollowed out. If there is something that covers this bottom and it feels heavy, it's called weighted silver. And so you can't just weigh it out because it's full of clay or ceramics or sand or something like that. That's the same thing for these handles over here. They're usually filled with something so that there's some weight to it. So what do we pay for this stuff when we're out in the field? Bring your calculator with you, of course, or on your cell phone, and you want to pay something like 40 to 50 cents a gram for your sterling silver. And for knives, just pay like $3 a knife. $4 a knife, you'll be fine. So there it is. I hope that helps you when you're out doing your sterling silver hunting. Enjoy.